Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about logarithms, how to convert exponential form to logarithmic form, how to convert logarithmic form to exponential form, and how to evaluate simple logarithmic expressions. Let's say we have 2 to the power of 3. What does it mean? It means you have to multiply 2 3 times, and this will give us 8. So the power of 2 has to be 3 to give us 8. So we say that the logarithm of this thing is 3. This is what logarithm is about, figuring out what power you have to raise to get another number. So the next question is, how do I write this? We write, for this example, we have to write the log of 8 with the base of 2 will give us 3. Let me show you another example. Log of 25 with the base of 5. What does this equal to? We know that 5 to the power of 1 is 5. 5 to the power of 2 is 25. So we can say that log of 25 with a base of 5 will give us 2. So logarithm is nothing except the exponent. The logarithm tells us what the exponent is exactly. If we have log of 100 with a base of 10, we know that 10 to the power of 1 is 10, so it can't be the answer. 10 to the power of 2 is 100, so this is our answer. We write log of 100 base of 10 equals to 2. So you can see how we change the logarithm form to an exponential form. The basic form is this. If you have a log of b with the base of a and this gives us c, we can say that a to the power of c equals to b. This is the general form of log. Let me draw a box around it. So I had a lot of trouble with this in high school. Like I used to forget all the time. So this is how you can remember. If you have this expression, it just means that this a goes to the other side, kicks the c, it's scared, so it jumps to the top, leaving us with b. That is why we have a to the power of c equals to b. This is how you can change a logarithmic form and write it in an exponential form. Let me show you more examples, then it will be clearer to you. Let me change some let me change some logarithmic functions to exponential functions. If we have log of 81 with the base of 9, this equals to 2. How do we write it in exponential form? This goes to the other side, kicks it, this becomes scared, jumps to the top, leaving us with 81. So we can say 81 equals to 9 to the power of 2. Number 2, log of 6 with the base of 216 will give us 1 over 3. How to write it in exponential form? This moves to the other side, kicks this is scared, jumps to the top, leaving us with 6. We can safely write 216 to the power of 3 equals to 6. Let's do another example on this. If we have log of 10 with the base of 100 and it gives us half, because 100 to the power of half is 10. How to write it in exponential form? It just moves to the other side. This is scared, jumps to the top, leaving us with 10. That's why we have 100 to the power of half equals to 10. This is how we change logarithmic functions, expressions, and write it in exponential expressions. Now we are going to have exponential expressions, but you have to change it to and write it in a logarithmic form. Number 1, let's say you have 81 to the power of half equals to 9. Like I told you before, a logarithm is nothing except this exponent. So the value of this equals to half if you write it in log. So we always write the half here because this is our exponent. This is the base. If you want to change it to log form, you write log. The base is 81. We always write the base over here. Equals to half because that's the exponent and that's the value of your log, leaving us with 9. We write the 9 here. Number 2, log of, no, sorry, not log, we have the exponents this time. 12 to the power of 2 gives us 144. How to write it in log? Again, this is the base. So when you write log, you will write it over here. This equals to 2, which is the exponent. The exponent is the value of your log, leaving us with 144. So I'm just going to write it over here. Number 3, log of 10 with the base of 100 gives us 0. Oh, again, I'm doing the same thing. I'm using the same question. Okay, so let's say you have 10 to the power of 3 equals to 1000. Again, this is the value of your log. It goes to that side. This 10 is the base. I'm going to write over here, leaving us with 1000. So you can write it here. This is how you can change an exponential form and write it in logarithmic form. The last type of example, I'm just going to show you how to evaluate logarithmic expressions. Let's say I have log of 32 with the base of 2. Now you need to think of a power that will make this equals to 32. 2 to the power of 1 is just 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 16, not that, but 2 to the power of 5 is 32. That means this must be equal to 5. Next question, log of 5, let me take a bigger number and make it 25. This equals to what? So you have to think of a power for 25 that will make this equal to 5. Now there's a problem with this one. The 5 is smaller than this, so you can't take a number that's more than 1 or equal to 1, because 25 to the power of 1 is 25 itself. So you have to think of a number that's less than 1. We know that the square root of 25 is 5. And if you write a root, this just means the power of this is half. That means the value of x here is going to be half. My answer for this question is just half. The last question for the day, let's say you have log of 125 with the base of 5. What does this equal to? Again, you have to think of a power for 5 that will make this equal to 125. Now this is easy. 5 to the power of 1 is 5. 5 to the power of 2 is 25. But 5 to the power of 3 is 125. That's why the answer for this question is going to be 3. So this is how you evaluate logarithmic expressions. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.